Well, hello and welcome to the channel. Today you join me on another local adventure. So I'm visiting a place called The Dream, and it's based just outside of St Helens, just by the M62 motorway. Today I'm going to try and get some sunset shots. Now, unfortunately, the sky has been absolutely amazing all day until, you can probably see in the background there, started to cloud over. Now, whether that's going to work for us or whether it's going to sort of take the glare of the sunset away, we don't know, only time will tell. But I'm just going to head up there now and yeah, just sort of see what's around the area. Now, it's a place I've visited a few times, sort of come around here on the bike and with the children and stuff, and never really taken a lot of photographs from it. The ones I have done have been snapshots, so it'd be interesting to sort of see what I can get tonight and yeah, how good these images come out. So the Dream was erected around about 2009, and I say erected because some people say it looks like a phallus, and I'm sure you'll understand why when you see it. So years and years ago, this used to be a colliery. I remember driving, well, not only me driving because I was a kid in the back of my parents' car, but when we used to come up to visit my grandparents, we used to drive along the main road, and I used to see the big wheel, the big colliery wheel. Yeah, it still rings true. It only feels like yesterday, that as well, but this was erected in about 2009. The problem with vlogging and photography, you've got to give yourself double the amount of time to get the video and the images. I've given myself half the time to get the images, so the video's going to struggle. Apologies. So as you can probably hear in the background, the M62 is running right alongside this walk. But yeah, it's been a lovely day. It's been so clear all day, and then this afternoon a little bit of clouds come over, followed by a little bit more. So I don't think I'm going to get the sunset that I wanted. But it's fine, you know, it's a nice little walk out, get some fresh air, and then head back and get some tea. So as I mentioned on my last vlog, it's all about getting out and exploring the local areas, and I'm quite enjoying it. I'm going on a few walks, and yeah, just discovering places that I've always been there, but I've never actually discovered them. So yeah, I mean, this being one of the locations I've come a couple of times, taken a couple of snaps on my phone, etc., when I've been with the children or out on the bike, but never actually thought to do any photography around here. And even though I've only got a couple of shots in, yeah, it's still quite enjoyable. The only problem is it's very, very busy. I've got plenty of dog walkers, plenty of bikers, and families coming round. And the first thing the families do is run straight up to the statue and touch it. I don't know if it's like a ritual that they need to do, but so yeah, it's limited my options here to actually do any photography. But yeah, I just wanted to come out for a walk. Forget any images, it's a bonus. I wanted to do a video, so that's a bonus. And I've got the drone out and taking some B-roll from there. So I hope you've enjoyed it. When I say this location is right on the motorway, it is right on the motorway. I never actually knew it came down this far, but I hope you can hear me okay with the sound of the passing traffic. We're fast approaching rush hour, so yeah, it's going to start getting busy here. I think with that in mind, there's a bridge just above the M62, not far away from here. So I think at the end I might just do some light trail shots, quite simple, quite basic, a bit of long exposure photography, and yeah, just get one in while I can. That'll be at the end of the video. So I'm just having a walk around now, really, just enjoying the evening air. The temperature's really started to drop now. Today's the 17th of November, and yeah, I think it's been one of the first cold snaps I've actually had. It's been really quite warm up until now. So yeah, it's been welcome. But yeah, I think it's about time we had a bit of a cold snap. So one of the things I just want to talk about is being kind to people and sort of understanding people's situations, and about certainly now whilst you know, we're in another UK lockdown. Now more than ever, it's important to be supportive to people and yeah, just be kind, really, I suppose. Everybody's going through their own different turmoils. Some people are working harder than they have done before because a lot of employees have been made redundant. A lot of people are redundant, sort of living on nothing really, and the fear and the worry of everything that's going on in the world, not being able to see loved ones, etc. You know what I'm talking about. So whilst I was doing that drone footage, a family of 2 little girls and a mum and dad came over, and it would have been so easy just to give them one-word answers and sort of almost a bugger off answer. So I landed the drone just by where the little girls were so they could have a look at it, and then asked them if they wanted to have a look at it once it was in flight, and also see what's on the screen of the phone as well. So I did it, and they were absolutely amazed. The actual look on their faces were just a picture to see. And the dad, I thought the dad was going to wet himself. I think he's going to put on his Christmas list a drone now. But yeah, just to see that family sort of get involved in something that they probably wouldn't normally. I think it's the first time I've actually seen one close up. And certainly with operating the drone quite often, certainly with these vlogs and for my own personal use, it's something you kind of take for granted. And you think that people who've never really seen one close up don't really understand what they are and what they can do. And that giving 5 minutes of my time, granted I missed the best light, but I got some video whilst I was doing it, probably made their night. They'll probably be talking about that tonight when they go home. I think that's one of the important things, certainly when we're out and about, is people don't understand what we're doing, and a lot of people sort of take offence to photographers. And I've seen it before where you have photographers that are so wrapped up in what they're actually doing that they don't talk to people, and once you talk to people you actually get so much more of a more positive response from everybody and sort of get them involved. And I think that's one of the things that we tend to not do, and it's a shame because people are genuinely interested. People are genuinely shy as well, but yeah, I think we just need to take the time, and if people approach, certainly smile. I've seen many videos of particular YouTubers and photographers that get annoyed when people are actually in the frame or actually come and walk in the area, and it's such a shame. And these photographers and vloggers actually get nasty, and I've heard all sorts of names said about these people, and it's not right. It really isn't right. Just have time and patience, and isn't that what photography is all about? It's not about being nasty and bitter. It's about taking images that other people can appreciate, but also whilst you're on location, other people want to appreciate that beauty as well. So I think I've said all I need to say on that matter. So I'm going to push on, just have a bit of a walk around. The light's gone really quite flat actually, so I don't think there's going to be any more images. As darkness fell, I returned to the Dream Sculpture for a spot of light painting photography, with quite impressive results. Stick around to the end of the video to view these, and let me know what you think. I'm going to take one from the motorway bridge just of some light streaks, and if that's come out okay, I'll show that at the end. But yeah, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching. Again, it's another local video, very short video. Yeah, sort of quick and easy, I suppose, but yeah, let's do what we can, I suppose. So I'm going to finish the video here. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment, I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can, and if you've enjoyed it, give us the old thumbs up. Apologies for it being such a short video, but yeah, it was just a couple of hours spare whilst I'm in the area, so I thought, yeah, what better thing to do than come out, do some images, do some vlogging, and get the drone up. So yeah, done all that, accomplished all 3 tasks. So I'll leave the video here. Thank you so much for watching. See you again real soon. Yeah, take care. Bye bye now.